How to connect Samsung TV to Bluetooth speaker. First of all, get the Samsung TV remote and then press the home button. Then you want to scroll all the way along to the left in this menu section until you get to the settings. Then you want to tap up to get into the quick settings menu. Then from there, go to the right until you get to sound output. Then there you should be given a few different options. You can go to the upwards arrow and then go through all the different options there, and then go ahead and click on whichever one is for you, or you can go ahead and click the OK button. Then it will say Bluetooth speaker. Then click OK once you press the up one there. Then it'll be a speaker list, a Bluetooth speaker list. Then go ahead and pair whichever version of your Bluetooth speaker that you want. So go ahead and make sure your actual device, your Bluetooth speaker, has Bluetooth on. Click on it there when it pops up. You can refresh it if it's not there, but once it's done, go ahead and connect it. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.